Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stay available in Microsoft Teams. So, are you wondering how to stay available in Microsoft Teams? In this video, I'll show you how. So, to start, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in to your account if you haven't already. So, first, to manually set your status, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select your current status, then choose available from the list. Keep in mind that Teams automatically changes your status to away if your computer is idle for several minutes. So, to reduce this, keep your device active by working normally or joining a meeting. So, that's the second option. Start a meeting with yourself. So, you can go to the left side and select Calendar tab, or you can click Meet and join the meeting. So, as long as you're in the meeting, your team status will usually remain available or in a call depending on your activity. So click create a meeting link, click create and copy link. So just wait for it to finish creating the link. So click join. You can turn off your camera and you can mute your microphone, then click join now to start a meeting with yourself. So again, as long as you're in the meeting, your team status will usually remain available or in a call, depending on your activity. So that's the trick there. You can also click your profile picture and select duration and choose how long you want your manually selected status to stay active. And that's how you can stay available in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.